Hello everybody, welcome to my channel, Hometown Tuscany. So today we're going to prepare a really special recipe for me, as it is one of the biggest classic of the Tuscan cuisine. We're going to prepare the GNUDI, or it's a kind of dumpling made out of ricotta and spinaches. Really fresh and really good ingredients, so let's come with me to see how to do that. So, as I said you before, really simple ingredients. We're going to have flour, ricotta cheese, Parmesan cheese, and spinaches. These are pre-boiled. I previously boiled for 5 minutes into the boiling water and then cool it down under the cold flowing water. So, really simple ones. We just add the flavor of salt, pepper, and nutmeg, and that's it. Really easy ones. So the first thing we're going to do is to squeeze the spinaches in order to squeeze out a lot of water. So next step, we're going to chop the spinaches in order to put with the flour, the ricotta cheese and the parmigiano. So now we're going to put the spinaches into this bowl, a clear one. Okay, so here comes the fun. We're going to mix all the ingredients together here, together with the spinaches. So first the ricotta cheese. So we just have to make sure there's to not catch the water that the fresh ricotta squeeze out of it. So I mean, just take it like that with a wooden spoon or any spoon you got at home, and leave the water into the ricotta cup. So next we're also going to put the Parmesan cheese inside it, plenty of it. So next one, we're also going to put the flour. So with the flour we got to be pretty careful. The flour will make it chewy if you put too much, or is going to make it like fall apart when cooked if you put less than needed. So the flour for 300 grams of ricotta and 300 grams of spinaches is about 90 grams. So we're going to mix it with a wooden spoon. So really easy. Once you get there, it's already done. We just missed one egg. We're going to put it inside now. So we're going to crack the egg into our dough. Put aside. And as we put the egg inside, we're also going to add all of our flavors like you see here. So salt, pepper and nutmeg. So, as you got that dough, like you see here, we're going to start out making it. So we take first out everything we got here from the bowl to the table. We then going to start taking little pieces like that and rolling out in our hands and put on the flour. So we now have to make sure all of that is covered by the flour. So the flour will make a shell for the water to don't get into our GNUDIs, into our dumplings. So they will not falling apart during the cooking time. So this way we will be sure. Now we're almost there. So the first thing we're going to do is to heat up a pan and put some butter. So plenty of butter, at least 50 grams. And then we're going to take the salt and put it into the boiling water. So next we're going also to take the sage and put together with the butter. So the fresh sage. We're going to heat up slowly to let all the flavor be taken up by the frying butter. So next we're going also to put all of the GNUDIs one by one into the boiling water and boil it for 4 minutes. After that we're going to take it up from the water and putting up into the pan we got on fire. So next we're going to take a ladder and we're going to add like 2 leads of water into the frying pan in order to make it really creamy as it got to be. So the really last thing will be turning off the fire after a minute of boiling with the water and add some Parmesan cheese in order to make it really creamy as it should be. So thank you guys for watching and follow me for some other recipes. Thank you.